Replacing the battery. To replace the battery in the node canister from an IBM StoreWise V7000 Gen 2, align the battery so that its electrical connector lines up with the electrical connector inside the battery compartment. Slide the battery down into the battery compartment. Carefully push the release levers to their closed, flat position. Push the blue touch points to make sure that they snap back into place with the release lever arms totally flat. Note: if the battery is not correctly installed, then the node canister lid will not fit onto the node canister.